Welcome to Learn Easy English 1, 2, 3. Let's practice. My English house story. This is my house. My house has a door and windows. This is my living room. In the living room, I have a sofa and a chair. I watch television in the living room. This is my kitchen. In the kitchen, I have a stove and a refrigerator. I cook food in the kitchen. This is my bedroom. In my bedroom, I have a bed, pillows, and a blanket. I sleep in my bedroom. This is my bathroom. In my bathroom, I have a sink, a toilet, and a shower. I wash my hands in the bathroom. This is my house. Every house is different. Great job. Thank you for listening to My English House Story. Like and subscribe to learn more. Goodbye.